Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, as the title said on the video, I think this is the best watering system for potted plant, for extended watering system that can be created in the world. Um, I came up with this bright idea based on I didn't want to have to water my plants every day. So here we go. Take a pot. I got a fabric pot right here, but it could be any type pot. I got a regular Target bag. Remember, no holes in it. Okay. And I got some potting soil. So what you would do is you would take this bag and kind of just fold it down or in, however, and you want to put some dirt in it. Right. I get this together. Give me a second. Probably not the best video on the planet, but it's not shaking, right? That's what matters. Okay. Take your dirt. Of course, leave some over. You want to take it and sit it in your bag like this. And people might say, well, what that's going to do is going to rot the roots. Yeah, it would if I had it up like this all the way, but I'm going to put it down in here. Okay, I'm gonna put it down, then I'll put it to where it's low enough to where it can easily, the water when you put in it can come out. So then what I want to do is just close the bag up a little bit, however, and I'm gonna just put the rest of the dirt in here since I don't have a lot. Get it up just so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And then what I'm going to do is put it around the outside. Put the dirt around the outside of it, like this. Got my bag. Now I got my bag right here. So what I'm doing, I'm going to kind of open my bag up. You see, I got all my little sides, right? Open my bag up a little bit. Get it down low enough to where I got dirt all around the bag. Now, I have this hole. That's a bag around the dirt. So that'll hold that water for an extended time, and then just fill it back up. Fill your pot up as high as you can go. I don't have enough dirt to fill it up, but you kind of get the picture. So what I just created was an extended watering system, and as you know, when the dirt is dry, it's going to pull water up from that. And then if I pour too much water, it'll go over the sides and go outside of the bag. There you go, extended watering system. That should be very beneficial to those who don't want to water their plants every day, but hey, if they decide to travel or got other business to take care of outside of their home, they can water it before they go and have the confidence to know that they're good to go. The plant won't die. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and talk to you later.